This is the Royal Kluge RK925 folding wireless low profile mechanical keyboard. That's right, folding wireless low profile mechanical keyboard. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. In the box, you will find the keyboard, a bag, a keycap puller, USB-A to USB-C cable, and some literature. Unfolded, the RK925 gives you a 65% keyboard layout where your function and number row are shared. Switches are low-profile Gatoron, available in blue, red, and brown. This keyboard sports brown switches for a quieter tactile feel. The keyboard is backlit and wireless, with the option to connect up to 5 Bluetooth devices. The backlight is white with the option to adjust brightness, enable a breathing light pattern, or turn them off entirely. Those are all normal keyboardy things. The kicker with this one is that it folds in half. This keyboard will fold in half horizontally to give it that extra boost in portability to let it easily be tossed in a bag or to take on the go. It slips right into the carrying bag for easy transport. Hinges feel sturdy, and the whole keyboard feels solid with an aluminum body construction. Speaking of portability, the RK925 also has a fold-out stand to fit a phone or tablet. The keyboard charges by USB-C at the top, and on a full charge will last up to 30 hours with backlight and up to 200 hours with backlight off. Now, I would have loved to see adjustable feet or some sort of locking mechanism to keep the keyboard unfolded. As is, you will need to make sure this keyboard is used on a solid flat surface. There's also an exposed cable that connects the two halves of the keyboard, which does give me some pause when it comes to long-term durability. One thing to consider is that while it's a 65% layout, it ultimately has a 75% footprint due to the header at the top. Here is a Keychron K3 for comparison. The last thing to think about here is whether the folded form factor actually works for you, and if the smaller folded footprint but increased thickness achieves the portability that you want. While it works out for my use case, I can see how having a flat keyboard can work better for others. Overall, I'm a fan. The keyboard looks great and feels great to type on. The folding is just cool from a tech perspective, and actually pretty useful to boot. So if you want some portability in your keyboard but don't want to give up the creature comforts of size and mechanical switches, consider the Royal Kluge RK925. I'll end this review with a typing sound test. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.